Hey, good morning. Good morning. Ayan, nasa Hong Kong na kami. Hong Kong, kakalapag lang namin. Sir Adrian.
The third time I serve Mrs. Cheng. We did this 2 years, alright? My name called Shuman. In the pwede kain Shuman. S-H-U-M-A-N. And some of my Filipinos say, Hagaw Shumai. Joke lang, huh? The first stop, we're gonna go to the peak, alright? And we relax there, probably, I see the timing. And I would like to get the permission from Mrs. Cheng. If we have enough time, just depend there, we can give you about 1 hour shopping in HongKong. What do you think? No, Kowloon side, in Kowloon. Then we go to Hong Kong side first, and then we go to HongKong and then go to your hotel. Okay lah, because a lot of them, they like shopping in HongKong. Yeah, they've been heard about that. Depending on time, I'm not quite sure if we have enough time.
Please mind the doors. 请随身敲门。请小心车门。请随身敲门。请小心车门。Please mind the doors. 请稳压扶伞。请紧握扶手。Please hold the handrail.
Selfie, guys. One.